Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
So you are studying MS.
Yeah, I'm doing my post graduation program.
So far, I have explained to you and I have shared these things to you. So first, you need to practice pass-through mapping. Okay, I will give you at the end so you can understand. So I already shared this link. Second one is expression and aggregator transformations. I already sent the link to you. So after that, filter and router. Today I will send this link to you. So last time you attended already joiner. So I'm going to explain.
Yeah, we did join it.
Yeah. So in this order you need to practice. First is pass-through mapping. So after that AE expression and aggregator. Once you practice these two, so any order you can follow after that answer. Okay,
Okay.
clear, right?
So you already sent the link for pass through mapping and X and
Correct,
action, right?
correct. You are right.
Okay.
So today I am going to explain two transformation, sorter and rank. I will explain. So I will send this link also to you, filter and router also. Joiner you haven't recorded, right? I think
Okay.
you recorded
I
joiner.
recorded.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, I recorded you.
Today I am going to explain sorter transformation. Sorter transformation is an active transformation and it is mainly used to sort the data, ascending or descending order. Ascending means lowest value to highest value. Descending means highest value to lowest value. Reverse case. See, suppose salaries are like this: 2000, 4000, 3000. So if you want to sort this data in ascending order means 2000, 3000, and then 4000. So if you want descending means 4000 first, 3000, and then 2000. So you can sort the data using sorter transformation, and also you can eliminate duplicate records. I'm going to show both the examples. So first of all, I'm going to sort the data. After that, I will show you an example of how to eliminate duplicate records. First of all, I'm connecting to Oracle. Now I'm connecting to source. Select start from tab. Then you can see list of tables under this user. I'm going to use employee table as my source. Select start from employee. So this is my source. I want to sort data in the descending order of their salaries. That means first 4000 and then 3000 and then 2000 and then 2000. That is my requirement. Now I'm connecting to target.
I have I have one question.
Yeah, tell me.
Like in the source username,
Mhm.
we already have this data like table and employee. All we already have, right?
Correct. So if you don't have, you can create a table.
And we can also create.
Yeah, you can create a table
Okay,
and
we
you
also
can,
can create a table.
yeah, create a table and insert some records.
I thought you created this tab table or employee table.
Yeah, I created all these tables myself created. So
Or in the previous classes, like those classes which I missed.
mhm. So I said right in expression
No.
aggregator at that time I have created tables. So
Okay, okay,
once you go through these videos, you can see how to create those tables also. Okay.
okay, okay.
So anyway, you know SQL, right? You can create table.
I know it. Yeah, I can create.
Yeah. So by
But
seeing the,
that's that I was worrying about the data.
the data you can insert. I am also inserting it. Manually you need to insert it. Insert data table name just data.
Yeah, okay,
So anyway, I am providing recording, right? Just
okay.
you can pause on the recording and you can insert same rows if you want. Not an issue.
Yeah.
So here I am creating one target table. Create table emp underscore sort underscore t. Whatever the name you want, you can give. Employee number, name. Where, So here my source is employee table and my target is emp underscore sort underscore t. I want to sort my employee data based on salary in the descending order. For any task, we have three steps only. First one is creation of mapping. Second one is creation of session. Third one is creation of workflow or use the existing workflow. So first of all, I am connecting to designer. Double click on repository. Enter the user ID and password. Now double click on your folder. So as a first step, we always need to verify whether our source and targets are ready or not to create a mapping. So what is my source here? Employee. Employee is already available. I need not import again. What about my target? emp sort underscore t. My target is not available here. I am going to import my target using target designer tool. From the menu bar, select targets, import from database. Enter the password, click on connect. Now select your repository. Now my source and targets are ready. I can create a mapping using mapping designer tool. From the menu bar, select mappings, click on m underscore sorter underscore paste. Click on already there, so I'm giving sorter underscore test one. From the navigation bar, select your source, drag it out once. Similarly, your target. So your target. Any questions so far? Now I'm going to create sorted transformation here. From the menu bar, select transformation, click on create. So here you need to select sorted. Enter the name. Whatever the name you want, you can give, but Informatica recommended standard for sorter transformation is it should start with SRT. Select all the ports from source collector, drag it onto sorter. From sorter, select all the ports. Suppose if you save it, what happens you see? You see mapping is invalid. So in the navigation bar also you can see some red symbol for mapping. See here you can see red symbol. That means invalid. Why it is invalid? You can see in the output window. So no key is selected. You need to select at least one key port in the sorter. That's why it's failing. Now I'm going to select key port. On which port you want to sort the data. Double click on sorter. Go to ports tab. So here key port you can see checkbox. Select salary as the keyboard, then direction enables ascending or descending. In retriever, sometimes they will ask you a question, just if you connect sorter, what happens? Your mapping becomes invalid. At least you need to select one keyboard. So descending. You can sort on more than one port also. You can select this one also. But it sorts first employee name and then salary. Top to bottom. Suppose your requirement is first you want to sort on salary and then e-name. Move this port up. There is a up arrow here. Now it sorts on salary and then e-name. My requirement is only on salary. Apply repository. Now you can see your mapping is valid. Your symbol also will disappear here. Sort of text. Repository. Our first step is completed. Creation of mapping. Any questions so far?
Uh, we start from up to down. Like first, always we keep ascending and then descending.
Sorry.
You said we always start from up to down, right?
Yes, correct. So here I have selected
So
only
first we
one
always
keyboard,
keep
right?
ascending and then descending.
No, not ascending, descending.
Yeah.
Keyports. I'm telling keyports. See, if you select more than one port,
Okay.
ascending, descending doesn't matter. Whatever you selected, it will do. So if you select two ports, suppose salary and e-name, you can select here also descending or ascending. Here also you
Okay.
can select whatever ascending or descending. So how it will sort the data? Based on first
Okay.
salary and then e-name. If you select multiple keyboards, suppose
Okay. Okay.
you want to sort first on e-name, then move this port up. Clear? First it will sort on
Yeah.
e-name, ascending, and then salary descending. Now I am going to create a session. Select another client tool. Select task developer tool. From the menu bar, select tasks, click on create option. Enter the session name. S underscore M underscore sorter underscore test. Click on already there. View test one. So select your mapping sorter underscore test one. Click on OK. The session creation process is same for every mapping. Just you need to give relational connections for your sources and targets. Just to double click on this. Go to mapping tab. Select your source here. Source 62. Select target. Here we need to select target. Click on apply. Repository. Now, first two steps are completed. Creation of mapping, creation of session. Third step is creation of workflow or use the existing workflow. Select workflow designer. Expand sessions folder. Select your session and drag it onto workspace. Repository. Now, select your session. Right click. There is the option start task. Automatically, workflow monitor window opens. You can see the statistics here. See, 4 rows read from source. Those 4 rows loaded to the target. Now you can check in the database system. Select start from.
We can also create our new workflow design.
Correct. See, first 4,000 and then 3,000 and then 2,000. Descending order of the apply salaries. And one more thing you can do is you can eliminate duplicate records. If you see here, last two are duplicates. Why you want to load two times? 100 Ravi 2000, 100 Ravi 2000. Using sorted transformation, we can eliminate those duplicate records also. How do we do that? Any questions so far?
No, but your screen
Hmm.
is not matching with your voice. Like there's
Oh,
some
okay.
problem.
Maybe. So you are using that Wi-Fi connection, right?
Yeah,
I think your net is slow, little bit. Okay, I will go slow little bit. Okay.
this is showing the speed great.
Hmm.
The voice is clear, but the screen, is stuck in between.
Okay. So anyway, I will send a recorded session from my end also. Okay. So you can see clearly.
Yeah, though I understand, though there's no problem.
Okay.
Eh,
So just to, whatever you are recording, right? If you are unable to see something, let me know. I will send my recording. Okay.
okay, so now we are going to remove this duplicate, right?
Correct. From the source, you are getting duplicates. 100 Ravi 2000. Here also 100 Ravi 2000.
Yeah,
So for that one, what you need to do is select your mapping, double click on sorted transformation, go to properties tab. Here one option is there, distinct. Select this option. It will eliminate duplicate records. Just to double click on sorter, go to properties tab, select distinct option. That's it. Click on apply. Click on repository. Whenever you do the changes in the mapping, first you need to save it. After that, you need to refresh your session. Select workflow manager tool. Select task developer tool. Right click, there is option refresh mapping. Select your session, right click, refresh mapping. See, you can see yellow color triangle symbol. That means latest changes.
hmm.
You can. Now, when you save it, it will disappear. Repository. Now, I am going to rerun the session. If I rerun, already data is there. Again, it will insert. You can either manually truncate your target table or you can enable in the session level. We have one option, truncate target table option. Anything you can do. What I am doing is in the session level I want to set. Select task developer tool, double click on your session, go to mapping tab, select your target, select truncate target table option. So what it will do, first it will truncate your existing data and then it will load freshly. Apply. Repository. Any questions so far?
We truncate the data, but we haven't started the task, right?
Yeah. When we start, then only it will truncate. I haven't started. Just I have done settings.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Okay.
Select a session. Right click. Start task. Open your monitor. See here, total 4 rows read from source, only 3 rows loaded. It eliminated duplicate row. Now you can check in the database as well, whether duplicate record eliminated or not.
Okay.
Start. See, only 3 rows loaded. Any questions on sorter transformation?
No, no, everything is clear. Just send me your recording because the screen is stuck
Okay.
in between.
Okay,
So,
okay,
like, it's
sure.
better to have
I will
the
send.
good one. Okay? Thank you much. Okay?
And another one is rank. Rank transformation is also an active transformation and it is mainly used to assign ranks based on conditions. Assign ranks. So here I want to assign like this. An employee who is taking highest salary, I want to assign rank 1. I want to assign next rank to the employee who is taking
Okay.
highest salary 2. So if there is a match, it will assign same rank. There is a tie. Suppose 5,000 one salary, 4,000 you have, again 4,000, again 3,000.
So, again, we will use duplicate to remove the, like, duplicacy,
No,
right? Truncate.
no. See, two employees may have same salary, right? But those are not duplicates. Employee numbers are same, employee names also same. You should not delete. So just I have shown only salary here. Example.
Okay. 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 Okay.
So here employee salary 5,000, I am giving rank 1. So salary 4,000, it will assign same rank 2. There is a tie. So it will assign same rank. If there is a tie between salaries. And then it will skip rank 3 and it will give 4.
But why it skip rank 3?
Yeah, so there is no rank 3 kind of option right here. See, two employees are getting same salary, then we are assigning same rank. Otherwise, uh, what happens if you take 3, that means only one person available in the second rank. Not like that. The behavior of Informatica is
Okay.
if there is a tie, it will assign same rank and then it will skip. So third
Okay.
rank is not there means two people got second rank. Suppose one more employee with 4,000 salary, then it will assign 2 and then it will assign 5.
Yeah, I got it.
I am going to show with an example. Let's start. So this is my source. Here 5,000 rank 1, 4,000 rank 2, 3,000 rank 3. After that two employees are taking 2,000, 2,000. Ravi and Kumar. It will assign 4, 4. I am connecting to target. So here I am creating a table. emp underscore rank underscore employee number. name, salary, and I am giving rank. So here I have created a table. If you observe my source and target structures, there is one additional column in my target, that is rank. Remaining all columns are coming from the source. So here there is a flexibility in the Informatica level. You can select number of ranks. That means you want to show only top 2 employees you want to load into target, you can select. Number of ranks you need to set 2. Suppose if you set number of ranks 4, then it will load only 4. If you set number of ranks 3, then it will load only 3, top 3.
And remove other data, right?
Sorry?
Like if I select number of rank is 3
Mm-hmm.
and there are 4 or 5 ranks are available. So it remove 4 and 5, right?
Yeah, it won't give 4 and 5. Only 3 ranks it will give. Only 3 rows will load into target.
Yeah. Okay, okay. I got it.
So our first step is creation of mapping. In order to create a mapping, we need to verify whether our source and targets are ready or not. So here, what is my source? EMP is my source. What is my target? EMP underscore rank underscore T. This is not available. I am going to import target. Once you import source and targets, you can use same source and targets in n number of mappings. Select target designer tool to import the target. If you want to import the source, select source analyzer. From the menu bar, select targets, import from database. Then it opens import tables dialog box. Click on connect. Then you can see list of tables under this user. Select the required table and then click on open. After that, you need to save it. Now, my source and targets are ready. I can create a mapping using mapping designer tool. So that is our first step. Select mapping designer tool. From the menu bar, select mappings, click on create option. Enter the name. Whatever the name you want, you can give. M underscore rank underscore list. Click on already named there, same name, rank underscore test one. Click on. From the navigation bar, drag your source and drag your target into the workspace. Any questions so far?
No.
Now here I am going to create rank transformation. From the menu bar, select transformation, click on create option. Then it opens create transformation dialog box. From the drop down, you need to select rank. Enter the name. Whatever the name you want, you can give. But Informatica recommended standard for rank transformation is it should start with RNK and then followed by description. Click on, click on. When you create rank transformation, automatically rank index port comes. You cannot edit or you cannot delete that port. Just you can use that port. to assign sequence of ranks. Connect all the ports from source qualifier and then drag it onto. From rank, you can connect to target. Rank index port, you can connect to rank. Now here, in the rank transformation, you need to select rank port and a number of ranks. So double click on rank transformation. It opens a edit transformations dialog box. Go to ports tab. So you can select only one port as rank port here. So I am selecting salary as the rank port. Why? Because based on salary I want to assign ranks. After that, go to properties tab. So here two properties are there, top or bottom and a number of ranks. So you want to assign highest salary employee to one or lowest salary employee to one. I want to assign highest salary employee to one. Then select top. By default also top. So if you want to assign rank one to the employee who is taking least salary, select bottom. And here number of ranks. You want to display top 5 employees or top 3 employees. Suppose if you want top 1 employee, select 1. I want 5 employees. Any questions so far?
So whenever we select the rank transformation,
Mm-hmm.
so this rank index comes automatically,
Yes, rank and export comes automatically.
or do I need to input?
No,
Okay.
rank and export automatically comes, just you need to connect.
So it's an extra port, right?
Yes. So this is only output
Okay.
port. You can see my mouse cursor, small
Okay.
triangle.
Okay. So we can select like rank index can be salary or D number or E number.
No, you can connect to any port.
Okay.
Repository, save. Whenever you do the changes in the mapping, first you need to save. So here, second step is creation of session. So our first step is completed, creation of mapping. Second step is creation of session. Select task developer tool, create a session. From the menu bar, select task, click on create option. It opens a dialog box. Enter the session name. Click on create, already there, name. So I am doing test one. Click on create. Then it will show list of mappings under your folder. Select the required mapping. What's your mapping? Rank test one. Click on OK. Click on. The session creation process same for every mapping. Just you need to give relational connections for sources and targets. Double click on the session. Go to mapping tab. So here you need to give connections for your source and targets. This is a common step. Any questions so far?
No,
So our first two steps are completed. Creation of mapping, creation of session. Third step is creation of workflow or use the existing workflow. Select workflow designer. Now select your session and drag it onto workspace. Repository. Now select your session. Right click, start task. Open the monitor. See here 5 rows from source, those 5 rows load into the target. Now check in the database as well. Select star from enp underscore rank underscore. See it's assigned 1, 4, 3. Oh, with the same salary at the end. Any questions so far?
no.
So here my requirement is changed. I want to know who is taking highest salary from each department. So irrespective of department, we have assigned ranks. Now the change is within the department. I want to know who is taking highest salary. So if you see department number 10, there are two employees, 2000, 4000. So 4000 should come. From department number 20, you can see 3000, 5000. 5000 should come. So 30, only one employee, 2000 should come. So for that one, what you need to do is open your mapping, double click on the rank transformation, go to ports tab. Here you can see group by. So select D number as the group by. So what you are doing here, first you are grouping the rows on each department and then you are going to apply ranks. Go to properties tab. So here you need to select top one. Why? Because my requirement is from each department. I want to know who is taking highest salary from each department. So from each department, I need top one employee.
So it only shows one each department
Correct.
group.
You will get through 3 rows as output. You
Okay.
have 3 departments. Top 3 rows you will get.
Yeah.
Apply repository. Whenever you do the changes in the existing mapping, first you need to save. After that, you need to refresh your session. Select your session. Right click. There is option refresh mapping. Changes refreshed successfully. After that, you need to save it. Repository, save it. Now select workflow designer tool. I can run my session. So before running, I want to truncate my existing data. You can enable truncate target table option, or you can manually also you can truncate your target table. There are two options. Now check select. See, no rows select. Now I am going to rerun my session. Any questions so far?
No.
Select your session, right click, start task. So open your monitor. See here 5 rows right from source, only 3 rows loaded. That's why it is inactive. You are sending 5 input rows but the rank return only 3 rows. So it's an active transformation. Now you can check in the database. Select star from EMP underscore rank underscore T. See, from each department you got the highest salary. 10, 4,000, 20, 5,000, 30. So, like this, based on your requirement, you are going to use rank calculation. In real time, the
And
usage is less.
was this?
Sorry.
Okay. Was this group by function does it combines the same group? Like
See
for
what?
example, 10 and 10. They have,
See first, when you select group by, what happens? All department number 10 rows into one group. So you here you can see
okay.
two rows, department number 10. So within the group, who is taking highest salary? 4,000 employee, right? So that's why you got output 4,000 with rank 1. Similarly, all department number 20 employees, it will group. From that group, it will take highest salary and assign rank 1. Again, department number 30 employees, it will group. It will take highest salary and will assign rank 1. Any questions?
Oh, yeah. I understand. So we can change like these ranks as one, two, three.
Sorry? We don't do that, right? Why we need? See, I want within the department, correct?
Okay, you want within the department. Okay.
Yeah. I want to know who is taking highest salary from each department. So I don't
Hmm.
want to
Okay.
go on based on department number. If I rank, I don't get anything, right?
Oh,
Whatever department number doesn't matter to me.
yeah, I understand.
Yeah. So in the next class, I will explain some other transformations. I will send the recording one, this link also. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Tomorrow we meet at the same time.
Yeah. The class is really interesting. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.